Sele kuzinyanga ezisixhenxe bengafumani imivuzo. Aba basebenzi bathi balwela amalungelo okulingana. Batyhola le nkampani ngocalucalulo nokubaxhaphaza. Bathi abasebenzi abamnyama barholiswa kancinci kunabamhlophe.
The employer here, he's just so stubborn. He is a selfish and a self-centered white old man who does not care about the black lives. Since from last year, he's been bragging that he is the owner of this place and he can shut down this place, take his money and move or relocate to Australia.
I want to see our employer answering our demand. We want to know where we are standing.
For 7 months now, it's been difficult. Even at our home, anything is collapsing. Even now, we come across a difficult problem. Even at a school now, in terms of registered our child, now it's very difficult.
Umbutho we-EFF uthi kukho ukujongana ngezikhondo zamehlo ekuhlaleni kuba ngelixa abasebenzi bekugwayimbo le nkampani ikhabe iqesha abanye abantu kwalapha ekuhlaleni.
It now spills into the community. Community is now fighting amongst itself. So we're about to see a very serious black on black violence. That's why we are intervening, so that we don't get to that level. So we are appealing to the company here to resolve these issues within 7 days.
Inkampani LFC Mining yalile ukuphawula kulomba. I-EFF inike inziko ezisixhenxe ukuphendula.